Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Ramsey Fashion Home. Today I want to teach you how to make a double layered V-shape hijab. So this is 1.5 trouser of chiffon material. It's a thick chiffon, it's not transparent as seen. So the first length I want to use here is 29 inches. So now I told you that you need to get up to 1.5 trousers so that you'll be able to make the 3 layers as I did here. But if you want your own to be just 2 layers, 1 trouser is okay for you, be it hijab material, London material, or chiffon, or any convenient material that you are okay with. So this is the illustration now. The back length is also 29 inches, so we are using 29 by 29 inches. Mind you, I said it in the beginning of this video that I want to make it a V-shape layers hijab. So the V-shape part is what I want you to concentrate on now. So to create the middle shape, that's the shoulder part. To create this side, you measure 20 inches. You know, normally this shoulder part means the hijab will not cover, it will not go below the shoulder. That's the style they call V-shape hijab, but sometimes some people love it in a long, they love it to be in a long form. But here I want a portable hijab, so the front will be longer than the shoulder part. The front is 29 inches and the back, while the shoulder part is 20 inches. So you will now cut it out. I'm actually cutting it out here. Then after the cutting, I hope you can see the shape now. Because it is V-shape, that is why the shape comes out as seen. If you want an umbrella hijab, you can also make an umbrella hijab with this layers method. Though we are talking about V-shape here, that's the first layer. And I want to cut the second layer. The second layer is just 4 inches different from the first layer. You know, everything should not be measured in the same way, because we want a layers hijab. So the first one is the biggest, while the next one is the next one will be the next will be in the next position, while the last one will be the smallest. So here is it now. This is the next step. The next step I'm cutting here, the length is 25 inches, because you minus 4 from 29 inches from the initial body of the hijab. That's the first step. So the second step will be 25 inches, while the last step will be 21 inches for both front and the back. Then for the shoulder parts, you have to be removing the length as well. You can remove like 33 inches from the shoulder. So the 20 inches you use for the first layer shoulder parts is not what you'll be using for other two parts. So this is the body now. I want to set everything so that it can align. So this is the first step. Then the second step follows. Remain the third step. So I want to cut the third step now. Let's be attentive and let's see the way I'm going to cut it. Mind you, this is Ramsey Fashion Home, teaching you how to make a step layers hijab in a V-shape form. So here we are now. I want to cut the last step. Please, if you are cutting your own, kindly follow the way I explained in this video, so that the difference will not be too much and it will not be too small. 4 inches should be the difference between all the layers. The first layer 27, 29 inches, but sometimes you might decided to make your own longer than this picture. So the longer the hijab, the quantity of the material you will be needing. You know, I use just 29 inches for the biggest size here. That is why I'm using 1.5 trouser. But if you want your own to be very long, we have some people that use 45 inches, and we all know that a trouser consists of, it covers 25 inches. That's the first step. So if you are doing your own, kindly monitor the material before you start cutting the layers. So this is the first layer, as I've said earlier. Now I'm actually arranging the layers here. Right, so this is it. That's the first layer. This is the second layer. If you study the difference very well, you will see that they are not too short and not too long from each other, and that's the last layer. The shoulder parts are different. The lengths are also different by 4 inches. So now let's proceed to the machine to do the final joining. But before then, I want to cut the cup now. The cup I will be using here, the hijab cup I will be using here. Here I was actually trying to trim everything so that it will align. You know, I told you that 4 inches is the difference. So I get to know that there is some mistakes there. So I had to trim it to be 4 inches as expected. So the cup I'll be cutting for this hijab is all this wrapped cup. You know, we have some hijab cup that you need to tie at the back. So that is what I will be using for this hijab here. So I'll be using the tied cup. It's not the normal portable regular cup. No, this one is a tie cup. You can use it for this type of hijab. You can use it for any kind of hijab. So the length I'm using, it depends on how long you want your own. But right now the length I'm using here is just 40 inches, while the width is according to the hijab cup. We all know that our hijab cup for adults should be 16 inches wide, then the length should be 5 inches. So I'm actually trying to bring out the edge shape here. So that's the edge shape. You know, the both mouths are penciled. That's where you tie. Then you see that upper part. See the way I want to do the measurements now. The fabric has been folded into two. So that means we measure 8 inches. That's where your cup will stops. That is where your cup will stop. So that 8 inches part is where the cup will stop. Then the remaining length will be on close. See the way I bring out the shape now. So that shape you are seeing is where you attach to the hijab. Then the remaining parts will be tied. Is either in inside the hijab or tie around the hijab. So this is the body of the hijab. Or this is the first layer, second layer, and third layer. Everything has been joined together at the cup part. You sew it together as seen. So we have 3 layers here. Yours can be 2, it can be more than 3, it can be 5, it can be 6, depend on your customer's choice. So this is the folding at the end of the day. Let's quickly join the cup, guys. So here's the hijab cup. I'm actually closing it to the gauge part. You know, I told you that you shouldn't go more than the normal measurement of the head circumference, which is 16 inches. So the 16 inches falls to the middle, like the first side is 8 while the other side is also 8. Then you close the remaining part, then you attach it here. I was actually trying to attach the cup to the body of the hijab here. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. This is Ramsey Fashion. I'm teaching you how to cut Elias hijab. Kindly like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have WhatsApp paid group and free classes on Telegram as well. You can DM through my phone number is 07069529948. That's my WhatsApp line. So thanks for your appreciation. Thanks for your messages. So this is the body of the hijab. This is the body of the hijab. That's the cup. Then what we need to do right now is to do the final closure of the hijab. We close the front part of the hijab. Then this is the final result. Thanks for watching. This is Ramsey Fashion Home. Like and click the notification button in order to get notified once I post another free hijab. Salam alaikum sisters.